the nth term of an arithmetical progression is given by Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is the nth term of an arithmetic progression. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula we are going to use to find the sum of n terms of an arithmetical progression. Minus 4n becomes plus 4n and minus 2n square becomes plus 2n square is equal to 0. Put it in order. 2n square plus 4n minus 240 is equal to 0. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Basic Mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session I am going to take very important chapter 5, that is progression. This is very important chapter for the point of examination. So in this chapter we are going to study regarding progression, that is different types of sequences and the series. Arithmetic progression, geometrical progression, harmonic progression and the series, arithmetic series, geometrical series and harmonic series. So in your syllabus you are going to study regarding AP, GP and HP and the problems based on this. Now before going to exact chapter, let us know regarding the weightage for this chapter. So here the weightage for this chapter is totally 15 marks you will get from this. So you will get problems in all the sections, section A, B, C and D. So for 1 mark you will have one question. Here 1 mark question, one mark question and 2 marks one question, and similarly one 3 mark question, one 4 mark question and essay type 5 marks question. So totally 1 mark 1, 2 mark 1, 3 marker 1, 4 marks 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5 is 15 marks you will get from this. So in all the parts they will cover the question from this session. 1 marker question and 2 marker, 3 marks, 4 marks as well as the very essay type and essay type 2 questions, that is for 4 marks and 5 marks. Then lengthy answer for 3 marks and short answer and very short answer questions for 1 and 2 marks. So in this session we are going to study regarding, so in this chapter we are going to study regarding the progressions, arithmetic progressions, geometrical progressions, harmonic progression and the mean, arithmetic mean, geometric mean and the harmonic mean. That's all, and the problems based on this. These are the concepts which we are going to study in this chapter. Now let us come to the first, what is an arithmetic progression. Okay. Now before going to the exact, so in this chapter we are going to study regarding the arithmetic progression, geometrical progression and harmonic progression. Now I am going to discuss regarding an arithmetical progression, AP. Now arithmetic progression, before going to this arithmetic progression, let us know regarding the definition of a sequence. What is a sequence? So a sequence is nothing but an arrangement of elements or numbers according to a particular rule. The arrangement of elements or numbers according to a particular rule will form a sequence. Say for example 2, 4, 6, 8 etc. This is an example for a sequence, right? Now when did you say a sequence is a finite or infinite? A sequence is said to be a finite sequence if the number of elements are finite. Otherwise it is called an infinite. If a sequence contains infinite number of elements, then it is called an infinite sequence. So the arrangement of elements according to a particular order is called as the sequence. Now here the sum of the terms of the sequence will form a series. So series means the sum of the terms of the sequences will form the series of the sequence. Now these things which we are going to study in this session. Now let us know regarding the first one in sequences. First one is the arithmetical progression. Okay. Now let us know regarding arithmetic progression. So an arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between a term and its preceding terms, the difference between the second term and the first term, third term and the second term, the difference between a term and its preceding term, that is second minus first, third minus second, is a constant, and the constant is known as the common difference and it is denoted as D. So D is called the common difference. So the first term is denoted as A and N is the number of terms and the nth term is denoted as I or Tn, denote the nth terms of a arithmetical progression. Suppose if A is the first term and D is the common difference, The common difference is nothing but any term minus its previous term. For example, now suppose if A is the first term of a sequence and D is the common difference, then the terms of the sequence are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. The last term we are going to get is A plus n minus 1 into D. So these are denoted as T1, T2, T3, T4, etc. the nth term, Tn. So Tn is called the first term, T2 is the second term, and T3 is the third term, etc. The nth term is denoted as Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So therefore, the nth term of an arithmetical progression is given by Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So that is denoted as Tn or Sn or A plus n minus 1 into D, that is also equal to I or n. So this can also be denoted as Tn. The nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D, or it is also denoted as I. So if A is the first term and D is the common difference, then the terms of the sequence are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. A plus n minus 1 into D is called a arithmetic progression. This sequence is called the arithmetic progression, where A is the first term and D is the common difference, and the nth term of such a sequence is given by Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, denoted as Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now if you want to find the sum of n terms of such a sequence, the sum of n terms is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, or that is also equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, where n is the number of terms and D is the common difference and A is the first term. So arithmetic mean, so the arithmetic mean between these two numbers A and B is given by A plus B divided by 2. These are the formulas which we are going to use to solve the problems. Okay, now let us come to the first problem. I will go to the exercise problem. So find the 12th term of the AP where 1, 4, 7, etc. So these are all problems based on exercise number 5.1. Let us take the first problem. Find the 12th term of the arithmetic progression 1, 4 and 7. Now here this is of the form where A is equal to 1, the first term is 1. How to find the common difference? The common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, 4 minus 1 is 3, or similarly you can find 7 minus 4 is also equal to 3. The common difference is same. And what is required to find is the 12th term. T12 is to be determined. So that means n is equal to 12 here, T12. Now what is the formula for nth term? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now just put n is equal to 12. If you put n is equal to 12, put n is equal to 12. T12 is equal to A. What is A? A is the first term 1. N is 12 minus 1 into D. D is equal to, the common difference is 3. Substitute here. So 1 plus 12 minus 1 is 11 into 3. That is 1 plus 33. That's equal to 34. So therefore, the 12th term for the given sequence is 34. So the 12th term of the arithmetic progression 1, 2, 1, 4, 7, etc. is 34. That's it. See here. First find out the first term is 1 and the common difference is 4 minus 1 is 3, 7 minus 4 is also 3. You can take 3 as the common difference. Therefore, the nth term is given by Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is n here? N is equal to 12. Substitute here. N is 12, A is 1, n is 12 minus 1 into D is 3. 12 minus 1 is 11 into 3 is 33 plus 1 is 34 is the 12th term. Let us come to the second problem, similar type problem. Find the 13th term of the AP 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 1. What is the first term here? A is the first term. A is equal to 1 by 3 and the common difference D is equal to second term minus first term 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Take LCM, 3 is the LCM. 3 gets cancelled, 2 minus 3 that's equal to 1 by 3. So if you want you can take the second and third term also. This minus this, that is what is the third term? 1 minus 2 by 3. That's also equal to, take LCM, 3 is the LCM, 3 ones are 3 minus 2, that's equal to 1 by 3. So the common difference is 1 by 3. Now what is the formula for nth term? We know Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now put n is equal to 13, n is equal to 13 here. 3t13 is equal to the 13th term is a. What is a? 1 by 3 plus n is 13 minus 1 into d. The common difference is also equal to 1 by 3. So this is 1 by 3 plus 13 minus 1 is 12. 12 into 1 by 3, cancel this, 3 4s gets cancelled. This is equal to 1 by 3 plus 4. Take LCM, 3 is the LCM, 1 plus 4 3s are 12, that's equal to 13 by 3. So therefore, the 13th term for this sequence is 13 divided by 3 is the 30th term for this AP. Okay, hope you followed this. Now let us come to the next problem, same type problem. Question number 3. Find the 20th term of the AP, minus 2, minus 5 and minus 8. Negative values are given. Now A is as usual, first term is minus 2 and D, the common difference D is equal to minus 5 minus of minus 2. That is minus 5 minus into minus plus 2, that's equal to minus 3. Or if you want, you can verify with this also. Minus 8 minus of minus 5. That is minus 8 plus 5 is equal to minus 3. Common difference is minus 3. And what is required to find is the 20th term. N is equal to 20. T20 is the question mark. As we know, the nth term of an AP is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Put n is equal to 20. T20 is equal to A. A is minus 2 plus 20 minus 1 into D. D is also equal to minus 3. So this is equal to minus 2 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into minus 3. Now this can also be written as minus 2 minus into plus minus 19 into 3 is 57. So minus 2 minus 57 is minus 61. That's it. So the 20th term for this sequence is minus 61 is the 20th term. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Find the 10th term of an AP. So the AP is 0.5, 0.7, 0.9, etc. Very simple. As usual, A, the first term is 0.5 and the common difference D is equal to 0.5 minus 0.5, that is nothing but 0.2. Similarly, see 0.9 minus 0. is also equal to 0.2. So what is required to find is N is equal to 10, Tn is the question mark, that is T10 is the question mark. Now, as we know the formula for nth term, as usual, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, what is nth term? What is n is equal to? N is 10, T10 is equal to A. A first term is 0.5 plus 0.5 plus n is equal to 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 into D. The common difference is 0.2. So, this is equal to 0.5 plus 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Into 0.5. So this is equal to 0.5 plus 9 into 0.2. 0.2 into 9 is nothing but, so this is equal to 0.18. So add this. If you add, what is the answer you are going to get? Now 0.5 plus 9 into 0.2. Multiply this. This is equal to 0.5 plus 9 into 0.2. 9 2s are 18. This is equal to 1.8. So add this. So what is the answer? 0.5 plus 1.8. So this is nothing but 8 plus 5 is 3. That's equal to 2, 2.3. Okay. So the required answer is 2.3. That's it. 2.3 is the answer for this. That's it. So the 10th term for this sequence is 2.3 is the 10th term. Just if I add 0.2 for this, the 10th term you are going to get it as 2.3. That's it. Very simple. So these are the problems based on finding the nth term of an arithmetical progression. Now let us come to the next set of problems. So find the sum of an arithmetical progression. So as I told, the sum of nth term is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula we are going to use to find the sum of n terms of an arithmetical progression. Now, let us come to the first problem. Find the sum of the following arithmetic progression. So, 2, 6, 10, etc. Last 10 terms. So, here what is given? A is equal to 2 and the difference D is equal to 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Similarly, 10 minus 6 is also equal to 4. To n terms, n is equal to 10. So, what is the formula? The nth term is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put n is equal to 10. S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 times a is equal to 2 plus n is 10 minus 1 into the common difference d is equal to 4. So this is 5 into 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 4. So this is 5 into 4 plus 9 4s are 36. So this is equal to 5 into 36 plus 4 is 40. 5 into 40, 200. So therefore, the sum of 10 terms, yes, 10 is equal to 200. That's it. Very simple problem for 2 marks. See here. So just what is given, a is equal to 2, d is equal to, the common difference is 6 minus 2 or 10 minus 6 is 4, n is equal to 10. What is required to find is sum of first 10 terms. Yes, 10 is equal to n by 2, 10 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2 into a is 2 plus n is 10 minus 1 into the common difference is 4, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 4s are 36 plus 4 is 40 into 5 is 200, which is the required answer. Very simple problem. Okay. Now let us take another example. So that is B. Find the sum to 15 terms of the AP, that is minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Here what is the first term? We have the first term as a is equal to minus 7 and the common difference d is equal to minus 7, minus 8 minus of minus 1 is minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1. The common difference is minus 1. And what is n? N is equal to 15. What is to find Sn? That is nothing but S15 is equal to the question mark. Okay. Now Sn, what is the formula for Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 times a plus n minus 1 into d. Now S15 is equal to S15, 15 by 2 into 2 times, what is a? A is minus 7 plus n is 15 minus 1 into d. D is equal to common difference is minus 1. So this is 15 by 2 into minus 14 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into minus 1. So this is 15 by 2 into minus 14 minus 14. 15 by 2 into minus 14 is minus 28 it is. So if you divide by 2 you will get minus 14. So this is 15 into minus 14. 15 into minus 14. So 15 into minus 14 is minus 210. 15 into 14. So that is minus 210. So the sum of 15 terms, yes, 15 for this is minus 210 is the required answer for this. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Same type, find the sum of 18 terms. Find the sum of 18 terms. What is a here? A is equal to 3 by 2 and the common difference d is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2. Take LCM, 2 is LCM, 2 2s are 4 minus 3 is 1 by 2. And what is required to find is S18. S18 is the question mark. Sum of 18 terms. So as we know the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S18 is equal to 18 by 2 into 2 times a. A is 3 by 2 plus 18 minus 1 into d. What is d? D is equal to 1 by 2. So simplify this. 18 by 2 is 9 into 2 2 gets cancelled 3. 18 minus 1 is 17 into 1 by 2. So this is 9 into, just take LCM, 2 is LCM. 9 2s are 18, or if you want you can divide 17 by 2, anything you can do. 3 2s are 6 plus 17 as it is. So 9 into, this is 17. 17 plus 6. 17 plus 6 is 23. Divided by 2. So 9 into 23 divided by 2. That's it. Multiply this. That's all. 23 into 9 is 207 by 2. That's it. So the required answer is therefore S18. Sum of 18 terms for this sequence is 207 divided by 2 is the required answer. That's it. Very simple. Just simplify this. Multiply, just take LCM, 3 2s are 6 plus 17 1s are 17. 17 plus 6 is 23 divided by 2. 9 into 23 by 2 is 207 divided by 6. If you want, you can divide it. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Find the 20th term, sum of 20 terms. So what is the sequence given? 1.1, 1.3, 1.5, etc. to 20th term. So as usual, A is equal to 1.1. The common difference D is equal to 1.3 minus 1.1 is 0.2, and N is equal to, so just to find S20 is the question mark. As usual, write down the formula for S20. S20 is equal to same N by 2. 20 by 2 into 2 times A. What is A? A is 1.1. 2 into 1.1, 2A plus N minus 1. N is 20 minus 1 into D. What is D? D is equal to 0.2. That's it. Simplify this. You will get the answer. 20 by 2 is 10 into 2 into 1.1 is 2.2 plus 19 into 0.2. So this is 10 into 2.2, 19 into 0.2, 19 2s are 30, that is 3.8. So this is 3.8, 10 into 2.2, 2.2 plus 3.8, add this, 8 plus 2, 0, 0.3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 is 6, that is 6. 10 into 6 is equal to 60. So therefore, the sum of 20 terms, yes, 20 is equal to 60. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. So these are all exercise problems. Based on exercise, I am solving these problems. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Now this is an important problem. If 3 by 5 comma k comma 13 by 5 are in AP, then find the value of k. So if they are in AP means here this is the first term, A1, A2 and A3. 3 terms are there. So if they are in AP, the common difference is same, that is A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Since are in AP, the common difference second term minus first term is also equal to third term minus second term. So here this is k minus 3 by 5 is equal to A3. Third term is 13 by 5 minus k. That's it. So k minus 3 by 5 is also equal to 13 by 5 minus k. Take LCM and simplify, you will get the value of k. That's it. Here 5 is the LCM. 5k minus 3 is equal to 5 is the LCM. 13 minus 5k. This divide by 5, 5 and 5 gets cancelled. 5k minus 3 is equal to 13 minus 5k. So transfer this 5k and minus 5k to left hand side, this becomes plus 5k, and 13 minus 3 to right hand side, 13 plus 3. So 10k is equal to 16, k is equal to 16 by 10. So if you divide by 2, you will get 2 5s are 2 8s are 8 by 5. That's it. K is equal to 8 by 5. That's it. Okay. So therefore the value of k is 8 by 5. That's it. The value of k is 8 by 5. See here. Let me explain once again. A2 minus A1 is also equal to A3 minus A2. So k minus 3 by k is equal to 13 by 5 minus k. So take LCM, 5 is the LCM. 5k minus 3 is equal to, again 5 is LCM, 5k, 13 minus 5k. Divide by 5, 5 and 5 gets cancelled. 5k minus 3 is equal to 13 minus 5k. I just transfer minus 5k to the left hand side. 5k minus becomes plus 5k, 13, and transfer minus 3 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 3. 5 plus 5, 10k is equal to 13 plus 3 is 16, k is equal to 16 by 10 is, just divide by 2, 2 8s are, 2 5s are. So 8 by 5, k is equal to 8 by 5, which is the required answer. Okay, very simple and important problem for 3 marks. Let us come to the next problem. The first term of an AP is 3, first term is 3 and the common difference is minus 2. Then find the 11th term. So instead of sequence, already they have given first term and the common difference. Very simple type problem it is. So the first term A is equal to 3 and the common difference is already given minus 2. What is required to find is T11. The 11th term is to be determined. So the first term of AP is 3 and the common difference is minus 2. Find the 11th term. So the nth term Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Put n is equal to 11. T11 is equal to A. 3 plus 11 minus 1 into D. D is minus 2. This is 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into minus 2. So 3 minus 20, that's equal to minus 17. So the 11th term of the sequence is minus 17. That's it. Now let us come to the next problem. So if the second term of AP is 4 and the 10th term is 20, find the 15th term. This is very important problem. Very important problem for the point of examination. See what is given. The second term is given T2. The second term is given. Second term is 4 and the 10th term T10 is given. That's equal to 20. What is required to find is the 15th term. T15th is the term which is to be determined here. Now, so just to find out the 15th term of an AP, we should have the first term and the common difference. Already n is given. So find out the value of A and D from these two equations. What is the second term? Second term is nothing but first term is A and the second term is A plus D. A plus D is equal to 4. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Now what is the 10th term? A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equal to 20. That is A plus 9D is equal to 20. Let us represent this as equation number 2. Solving these two from 1 and 2, if you solve these two equations from 1 and 2, what is A plus D? 4. What is A plus 9D? A plus 9D is equal to 20. Subtract this, solve these two equations. If you subtract minus A plus A gets cancelled. D minus 9D is minus 8D is equal to 4 minus 20 is minus 16. So D is equal to minus 16 by minus 8 is plus 2. So the common difference is 2. D is equal to 2. From this, just get the value. From equation number 1, from 1, what is A plus D? A plus D is equal to 4. Therefore, A is equal to 4 minus D. 4 minus, what is D? D is equal to 2. A is also equal to 2. So here the first term is 2 and the common difference is also 2. So therefore, the 15th term T15 is equal to A plus 15 minus 1 into D. So T15 is equal to A is 2 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into D is 2. That is 2 into 14 into 2. 14 into 2 is nothing but 28. 28. So here T15 is 2 plus 14 into 2. 14 into 2 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. So this is equal to 30. So therefore the 15th term is equal to 30. The 15th term for this 15th term is equal to 30 is the 15th term. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, now let us come to the next problem. This is also a very important problem for 3 marks. Very important. What is given? The third term of AP is minus 11, 14th term is minus 44 and the 20th term is to be determined, same as that of the previous problem. What is given? The third term is T3 is equal to minus 11 and the 14th term T14 is equal to minus 44 and T20 which is to be determined. Now, what is T3? T3 is nothing but A plus 3 minus 1 into D is minus 11. So, A plus 2D is equal to minus 11. Let us represent it as equation number 1. So, whereas this T14 means A plus 14 minus 1 into D is equal to minus 44. A plus 13D is equal to minus 44. Let us represent this as equation number 2. So, solving 1 and 2, you will get the value of A and B. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. What is equation number 1? A plus 2D is equal to minus 11. And the second equation, A plus 13D is equal to minus 44. Subtract these two. If you subtract, this becomes minus and plus. Minus A plus A gets cancelled. 2 minus 13 is minus 11D is equal to. So, this is plus and minus. Plus 44 minus 11 is plus 33. So, therefore, D is equal to 33 divided by minus 11 is minus 3. D is equal to minus 3. We will get the common difference is minus 3. Now, from this to get the value of A. From 1 or 2, from equation number 1, A plus 2D is equal to minus 11. So, A is equal to minus 11 minus 2D minus 11 into minus 2 times D is equal to minus 3. So, this is minus 11 minus into minus 2 3s are 6. So, this is equal to minus 5. minus 5 is the value of a. A is equal to minus 5. Okay. Now what is to find? Just to find the 20th term. T20 is equal to a plus 20 minus 1 into d. T20 is equal to, what is a? A is minus 5 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into d. What is d? D is equal to minus 3. That's it. Simplify this, you will get the answer. What is this equal to? This is minus 5 plus into minus minus 19 into 3. 19 3 is 57. So add this, minus 5 minus 57 is equal to minus 62. That's it. So therefore T20, the 20th term is minus 62. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Hope you followed. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Now the fifth term exceeds the third term by 10 and the sixth term is 35. Find the AP. What is given? The fifth term exceeds the third term. Fifth term will exceeds the third term. T5 minus T3 is equal to 10. That is given. And the sixth term T6 is equal to 35. Then what is to find is the arithmetic progression we have to find. That's it. This is the given condition. Now just find out T5. T5 is nothing but a plus 5 minus 1 is 4d minus T3. Third term is nothing but a plus 3 minus 1 is 2d is equal to 10. Simplify this. A plus 4d minus a minus 2d is equal to 10. So minus a plus a gets cancelled. 4d minus 2d is 2d is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Now d is equal to 5. The value of d is 5. Now from this T6, that sixth term is given. This is given. T6 is equal to a plus, that is nothing but a plus 6 minus 1 is 5d is equal to 35. Now substitute the value. A plus 5 times d is 5 is equal to 35. A is equal to 35 minus 25, that's equal to 10. The first term is equal to 10. So from this we will get the value of d. Just find out the value of a from the given sixth term. T6 is nothing but a plus 5d is equal to 35. A is equal to 35 minus 25 is 10. So therefore the required AP is, therefore the AP is, what is the first term? 10. The second term is 10 plus 5. And the second term is 10 plus 5. Third term is 15 plus 5. So therefore the AP is 10, 15, 20, etc. This is the required AP for the given conditions. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. So how many terms of the AP? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. amount to 230. So here how many terms? We have to find the n number of terms for the given sequence. Now what is given here? A, first term is 2 and the common difference is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, and the last term is given, that is 200, yes, nth term. So Sn is given. Sn is equal to 230. Now we know how many terms means, here n is the question mark. So we know the formula for nth term. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn, the nth term, last term is given. 230 is equal to n by 2 into 2 times a is 2 plus n, we don't know the value of n, minus 1 into d. D is equal to 1. Simplify this. 230 is equal to n by 2 into 4 plus n minus 1. So this can be written as 230 is equal to n by 2 into n. 4 minus 1 is 3, n plus 3, cross multiplied. So if you cross multiply, 230 into 2 is equal to n into n plus 3. If you simplify, we will take quadratic equation. So 230 into 2 is 460. 460 is equal to n into n is n square plus 3n. Transfer this. So n square plus 3n minus 460 is equal to 0, a quadratic equation. So this can be written as 460 can be written as 23 into cross multiply 23 into 20. 23 into 20 is 460. So if you just this is plus and minus. See, plus into minus minus. Again plus 23 minus 20 is plus 3n. So the factors are n plus 23 into n minus 20 is equal to 0. n plus 23 is equal to 0 or n minus 20 is equal to 0, n is equal to minus 23 or n is equal to 20. So we cannot take the negative value, therefore n is equal to 20 is the required answer. So the number of terms are 20. So the number of terms for this 20th term will form the amount as 230. That's it. Now we cannot take the negative value, therefore the value of n is 20. Now let us come to the next problem. How many terms of AP? Same type form. Same type problem. How many terms of the AP? Minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, amount to minus 120. Same type. Now what is given? A is equal to minus 3. D is equal to minus 5 minus of minus 3. That is minus 5 minus into minus, it is minus 2. And the last term Sn is equal to minus 120. So A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to minus 5, minus of minus is minus into minus plus 3 is minus 2, Sn is minus 120, n is the question mark. Now we know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Sn? Minus 120 is equal to n by 2 into 2 times a. A is equal to minus 3 plus n minus 1 into d. D is already given minus 2. So this is minus 122 is 240 is equal to n into minus 6 multiplied by negative sign minus 2n minus into minus plus 2. So this is equal to minus 240 is equal to n into minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 minus 2n. Multiply, what you will get? Minus 240 is equal to minus 4n minus 2n square. So here just transfer this to the left hand side. This is minus 240 minus 4n becomes plus 4n and minus 2n square becomes plus 2n square is equal to 0. Put it in order. 2n square plus 4n minus 240 is equal to 0. See, if you transfer this to the left hand side, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. Minus 240 plus 4n plus 2n square. Divide by 2. If you divide by 2, n square plus 2n minus 120 is equal to 0. Listen, factorize this. So this is n into n is n square, 12 into 10, 12 tens are 120. So this is the minus into plus. So therefore, since it is plus and minus, plus into minus, minus 120, if you multiply plus 12 into n is plus 12n and minus 10 into n is minus 10n. If you add, you will get plus 2n, the middle term. So therefore, the factors are n plus 12 into n minus 10 is equal to 0. N plus 12 and n minus 2. So I will go to the next page. N plus 12 is equal to 0 or n minus 10 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 12 or n is equal to 10. N cannot be negative. We can reject this. N is negative. We cannot take this. So therefore, n is equal to 10, which is the required answer. So if you want to verify, you substitute here. Substitute here. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is n? N is 10 by 2 into 2 times. What is a? A is minus 3 plus n is 10 minus 1 into d. What is d? D is minus 2. So you will get minus 120 definitely. 10 by 2 into minus 6 plus 9 into minus 2. This is 5 into minus 6 minus 9 and 2. 9 2s are 18 minus 18. So this is 18 and 6. 18 into 18 and 6 is nothing but minus 24. 24 into 5 is minus 120, which is the required answer. That is the required answer. So therefore, here the value of n is equal to 10. For this, the sum will be minus 120. That's it. So hope you followed this. So these are few problems based on the nth term and the sum of an nth term of an AP. That's all regarding this session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.